Desktop Smiley is another parasite that a lot of people are downloading and have difficulty removing. This is pure and utter spyware and adware. It's garbage that you really don't want. Younger people tend to download this, and I will go through and install it and then go through the removal procedure. It does have an uninstaller, but using that removes the toolbar, but it leaves a lot of other traces behind that you really don't want. Now, people download this because they get thousands of free smileys, emoticons, winks, nudges, cursors, screensavers, etc. But it follows you everywhere on the internet, whether you're browsing, in forums, using instant messengers, sending emails. It's there, and it is just spying on everything you do. And I will allow this to install, which will take a few minutes, but it's not something I would recommend. It really is just bad news. Now, when it's installing, you agree to the EULA, and it installs the Desktop Smiley toolbar, which will attach itself to Internet Explorer, Firefox, or any other browser that you happen to be using. And you then have the option of making Desktop Smiley your browser search and Desktop Smiley your browser homepage, both of which are bad news. So I'll finish that, and we'll go back in and see what happens. Now, as you can see, I have Desktop Smiley on Internet Explorer with smileys, cursors, glitters, wallpapers, screensavers, and a link to kingjackpot.co.uk, which will vary depending on your country. You'll get a redirect to some site that you really don't want. And this is just bad news. In Firefox, Desktop Smiley has been set as my home page with the web search and again the toolbar, although there are slightly less bits and pieces on this one. But if you click Desktop Smiley, as you can see, if you use the Web of Trust, it's bad news. Now, you have a couple of applications running in Task Manager, which are SDB app.exe, SDB app.helper.exe, and SDB svc.exe if you have a browser open. The first two will run most of the time, the third one runs when the browser's open. Now, I don't want to chat to anybody, so I'll come out of that. And what we will do is go through a few simple steps just to get rid of this. Now, if you look in Add or Remove Programs applet, you will find there is a Desktop Smiley toolbar on Installer. You can click Remove. Do not use this. It only takes out the toolbar. It leaves a lot of the spyware and adware behind. Download Malware Bytes Anti-Malware. If you haven't already got it installed, you should have. When you download it, it will automatically check for updates before opening the user interface. Now, once the updates are completed, all you have to do is click OK. Under Scanner, it's preset to perform a quick scan. Just click Scan and let it run. It'll take a few minutes depending on the size of your hard drive and how much information you have stored on it. So I will pause this and come back to it. Okay, it's completed, and as you can see, there's 357 infected objects. Just click OK, show results. These are all adware DD. There are registry keys, files, folders, registry values, memory modules, and the list goes on. It is all adware. It is watching everything you do on the internet. And all you have to do is click Remove Selected and allow the program to remove it. Now, when it's done that, you'll be prompted to reboot. I suggest you click Yes, which will finalize the removal process. I will click No, and I will just show you a couple of other things. Now this will allow me to finalize the cleanup. Now, as you can see here, the home page is still desktopsmiley.com, but the toolbar has gone. So that's a start. Now what you want to do, in Internet Explorer, open Tools, Options, and then click on Main. Home page, if it's home.desktopsmiley.com, change it. I will change it to google.com. Click OK and click Home, and I'm back to where I should be. If you're using Internet Explorer, click on Tools, Internet Options, and again under General, change your home page to your preferred home page and click OK, and click the home page, and there you go, you're back where you want to be. Now then, two little programs that can help you. I use Host Expert, there's also Hostman, and you don't have to install these, they're portable installations, they'll run off a USB stick. If you use Host Expert, make it writable, click on Editing, click in the box under Add Line, it will add the local host, and just type in desktopsmiley.com and then click Add Line. Again, click in the box again and add www.desktopsmiley.com, and this will add it to the hosts. They will be blocked. It really is that simple. So that's done. Add line. I'll then go down to edit to file handling, make read only, and close the window. If you use Hostman, simply open the program, click on the Open Hosts folder, click on Add. The IP localhost is preset, and simply type in desktopsmiley.com and then click Add. And again click Add, tick the preceded by www.box and type in desktopsmiley.com yet again, and then click Add, and you can then exit the program, close the windows, and that's it, done. Now if I open up Internet Explorer and I go to desktopsmiley.com, and let's get it to connect, see what happens, and it takes me to Bing. Click on Desktop Smiley link, and the link cannot be displayed, and the same will apply in Firefox. The host file is blocking it, and that's it. If you want any more information, or you want a link to free courses, wallpapers, etc., check out my blog, which is Free PC Security, and you can find it at freepcsecurity.co.uk.